Hey Barbara, I'm going to walk through how to do some editing on your pages. Um, for example, the home page. This line here for the opt-in is set up with coding. I'm not sure if you want to get into that. So we're just going to look at this bar and this content down here. So over here in your list of home pages, we'll go to home. You can click on the edit word or you can click on the word home, name of the page. So we're clicking on the home page to do some editing. And just going to reduce this. These are the different sections on every page. This SEO bar is how I'll go in and optimize the pages with keywords. Visual Composer is the way that these blocks are set up. So this first one is the image. You would click on the pencil to change the image. This area down here is the coding that creates this email opt-in. Below that, looks like we've got an empty space, and then we've got this divider line with text right here. So if you wanted to take that out or change it, we would just click on the green pencil. That's where you change the text. There's alignment. There's colors for that for the bar. There's a field here where you can designate how big it is. So the thickness of that line is 6 pixels. If you wanted something smaller, just change it or take it bigger. There's a styling here that you can change. You could play around with that and see what you think. So those, if you wanted to do a custom color, excuse me, right here, this is where I pasted in the color code from your palette. You can drag this around if you wanted to. I'm not going to save this, but anyway, you can drag this around. You can use their colors or put in your custom color. If you're making changes here, you need to make sure you save changes here, and you also have to save changes to the entire page. So you're saving the section. I'm going to just close this, and then you would update the page, which I'm not going to do right now. This is the text area below that bar. You click on that edit pencil. Right here, this text is larger because I've said, hey, why don't you be heading 2? The heading designations are for 2 purposes. It gives you different sizes that are set up in the coding for the site. Also, when search engines see that there are words on a page that are heading 1, 2, and 3, search engines think, oh, heading 1 must be a very important keyword. Heading 2 is also important. Heading 3 a little less important. I think I just changed that. So I just changed that to 1. I'm going to take it back to 2. If you wanted to do some editing, you can edit right here on the screen in that text field, or you could edit and paste it in. If you wanted to do a line break, put that in here. I'm going to take that back up. One thing about WordPress, it does not save your work as you go. So you need to make sure that you save changes as you go. If you're not positive about how something's going to look, up here is a preview option. You would need to save the changes here and then preview. Okay, so if you wanted to take a look at how the coding happens, it's over here on the text tab. Right here it says those words are going to be this color and this size. This is the line height. End span means that's the end of the paragraph. This is just the default color and a new paragraph. Okay, so that's how you get that done. I'm just going to back right out of this page and go to another video.